Hey, what's up donuts? It's the Donut King here. Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing rosemary salt, aka bath salt. As you can tell, this is not the regular setting. I'm over at my friend's house and they'll be helping me out in the process. The main reason why we're here today is because my friend here has a $1,000 blender. What the fuck? This blender you're looking at right now costs more than my car. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Every sub I get, I'll get another sub.
Oh yeah, dude. No, this is so hard to jerk off.
What?
Jerk this thing off?
Yeah, jerk it off.
Why not? You just gonna sit there and jerk people off?
Hey, stop! Why? Why? I just don't get it. I always catch you fucking watching this sick shit. This is sickening.
And let me know in the comments below if you like longer videos like this, so I'll have a sense of what you guys like to watch. I also like to thank my boys once again to letting me go over and film the video. Thank you so much. It was actually a lot of fun to do. Going back to the video, we're gonna chop up some garlic, add that into the blender, and we're ready to go. Oh, we forgot about the lemon. We're supposed to zest 2 lemons to introduce more flavor and aroma. Make sure you don't get any of the lemon whites in there, because apparently I heard it's really bitter. Don't worry guys, I know exactly what I'm doing.
Ah. Alright, drop that shit in. Alright. Sure. Okay. Cool. Is that backwards?
Behold, this right here is the best salt I ever tasted. If salt have a cult leader, this is what the cult leader will taste like. Just oozing out with aroma and umami.
It looks nice, bro. Yeah, you should taste some. Doesn't taste that great. Really? Yeah, I mean like it tastes fucking good. Salt and just rosemary, lemon. Fuck salty, bro. Yeah, last time I was like, why is it so salty? The heck?
There you have it guys, that's a wrap for this video, and I want to thank everybody for watching once again, and make sure to leave a comment below if you like this kind of content more. Alright, see ya.